Hello and welcome to this quick demo. This demo is on microDMA, and as you can see that we have the code which is the one that we actually explained in class, where you have two memory buffer sizes, and here we are configuring and initializing your UART, ADC, timer, and your microDMA. And so pretty much what it is there is this ADC interrupt that keeps checking if there is size in your buffer. If that is there, it's saying it's filling or it's full. And in your main program, we basically check what is the status of your buffer, and if it's full, then we just go and average them out, set it to empty, and again enable your microDMA again. And again, if the other buffer is full, we calculate the average, set it to empty, and then set it. And in both cases, what happens is, in the later case when both has been processed completely, so you can see there is an average that gets pushed out. So let's go to the section where we have our ADC, and we go to our initialization of ADC, which we are going to see it's down here. And as you can see, we are going to use pretty much channel 0, and probably channel 0 in our case is not connected, so you might just get some a noisy value. But if you connect something, a potentiometer, then you might get the correct value. So here is your microDMA settings. We are actually putting it in the ping pong mode, and we are saying alternately to fill up those two registers. And then finally is a UART configuration, and also the timer. You can see that we probably going to set it to a particular value, so every time the timer is up is when the ADC is going to be performed. Alright, so that's given that code. We're going to debug it, and we're going to go to the terminal, and let's see what happens. So there you go. So that's, as I said, it's just some arbitrary value, but that's the arbitrary values are nothing but noises there, but that keeps track of the total samples that are actually getting collected on both these buffers. And so it's pretty much like 60 here you have is like about 64 buffers each that is getting dumped. Alright, so that concludes our session or demo.